Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to my channel Rise Above. Most of you may be aware that we look at 9 planets in traditional astrology to look at a person's life path and destiny. However, through my journey as a trained astrologer, I realized that there is something missing in traditional astrology. The predictions are more or less okay, but the accuracy is an issue. More often than not, I was not getting accurate predictions. So today, in this video, I will explain the key difference between traditional astrology and advanced astrology with an example that you can relate to. Before I move ahead, if you are new to my channel, please ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram and Facebook channels. Please watch this video completely, and if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and comment. Thank you. So let's get back. Advanced astrology is different from traditional astrology because of this key reason. What is the reason? As I said before, in traditional astrology, we look at traditional 9 planets, correct? Up to Jupiter and Saturn. Whereas in advanced astrology, we also look at another 7 planets. These are distant planets. Which are they? Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Chiron, and 3 asteroids called Planet X, Planet Y, and Planet Z. When you use only traditional astrology, you are not seeing these 7 planets in your birth chart. Now you must be wondering how this is a differentiator. Let me tell you. You know in traditional astrology that Jupiter and Saturn are the slow-moving planets. These 7 planets are even more slow-moving. That means these 7 planets stay in a particular house of a native for a longer time. Since they stay in a house for a very long time, their impact on the person's life is also profound. When I say profound, they have much greater effect on the native's life cycles. Whether it is a positive impact or a negative impact, it will be very high when these 7 planets get involved. Hope you are with me. We not only look at position of these 7 planets in the native's actual birth chart, but we also look at their effects during transition in a person's life. When we look at this, the predictions become super effective. That is why it is very important to consider these 7 distant planets which have huge impact on a person's life. Let me show you an example now. Now I am sharing a birth chart of a gentleman who is into business for last 8 years. Few years back, he came to me and he said he's doing everything right with his business. Still, he is not able to post profits in his business. So when I looked at his traditional chart, the indication that I got, yes, there is a delay in getting profits, but definitely he will be successful after a certain period of time. It was very difficult for him to realize revenues. Cash flow was very bad. Each and every time he came to me, I used to tell him, I don't see any major issue in your chart, so things will be okay, don't worry. But when I added these 7 distant planets as per advanced astrology, you can see the difference. Now you can see his chart after I superimposed the 7 planets which I told you about in advanced astrology. See now what's happening. I'm getting more clarity about whatever happened to him, why it happened, right? You can see Neptune in his 7th house, the house of partnership, the house of business. And Neptune is debiliated in his 7th house, in his business house. And as per advanced astrology, Neptune rules Pisces, which is his 11th house. 11th house is the house of gains and profits, fulfillment of desires, correct? So the planet who is the lord of 11th house is sitting in his 7th house and is weak. So therefore, invariably, it's very difficult for this person to post profits or fulfill his desires in his business. By ignoring Neptune in his chart, the prediction was going wrong. But when all the 7 planets, including Neptune, was superimposed, you can see the prediction is so clear. So, my friends, that is how advanced astrology helps us. If you are a working professional or a businessman, and if you have a lot of questions for which you don't have answers, if you want to book an appointment with me, please WhatsApp on the number given below. Thanks for watching the video. And lastly, if you are new to my channel, please ensure that you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And if you like this video, please don't forget to comment. Thanks a lot. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.